Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn some fun and popular informal English words. These are words you'll hear in movies, songs, social media, and everyday conversations. They help you sound more natural and friendly when speaking English. Let's get started. Why we need these words? Formal English is great for school, work, and official writing. But informal English is what people use when they talk to friends, family, or online. If you want to understand native speakers or sound more relaxed and confident, these words are super helpful. We will start with relationship and social words. Number 1, boo. Boo means your boyfriend or girlfriend. Example 1, I'm going out with my boo tonight. Example 2, she posted a photo with her boo. Number 2, dude. Dude is a casual word for a person, usually a guy. Example 1, dude, that was awesome. Example 2, hey dude, what's up? Number 3, bro. Bro means brother or close male friend. Example 1, bro, you've got to see this. Example 2, thanks for helping me, bro. Number 4, sis. Sis means sister or close female friend. Example 1, sis, you look amazing. Example 2, I got your back, sis. Number 5, fam. Fam means your close friends or family. Example 1, what's up, fam? Example 2, I'm chilling with my fam today. Number 6, bae. Bae means your special someone, your love. Example 1, bae brought me coffee. Example 2, I miss bae already. Number 7, bestie. Bestie means your best friend. Example 1, my bestie and I love shopping. Example 2, we've been besties for years. Now we'll move to personality and attitude words. Number 8, chill. Chill means relaxed and calm. Example 1, he's so chill about everything. Example 2, let's have a chill evening. Number 9, savage. Savage means bold or brutally honest. Example 1, that joke was savage. Example 2, she made a savage reply. Number 10, salty. Salty means angry or bitter. Example 1, he's salty because he lost. Example 2, don't be salty, it's just a game. Number 11, extra. Extra means too dramatic or over the top. Example 1, she's being extra today. Example 2, that outfit is so extra. Number 12, bougie. Bougie means fancy or high class. Example 1, she's living a bougie life. Example 2, this place is too bougie for me. Now let's learn some reaction and trendy words. Number 3, lit means exciting or amazing. Example 1, the party was lit. Example 2, that concert was lit. Number 14, dope. Dope means cool or awesome. Example 1, your shoes are dope. Example 2, that song is dope. Number 15, fire. Fire means really good. Example 1, her cooking is fire. Example 2, this beat is fire. Number 16, goat. Goat means greatest of all time. Example 1, he's the GOAT of football. Example 2, that was a GOAT-level performance. Number 17, vibe. Vibe means mood or feeling. Example 1, this cafe has a nice vibe. Example 2, I'm not feeling the vibe here. Now let's move to everyday expressions. Number 18, yo. Yo is a casual way to say hello. Example 1, yo, what's up? Example 2, yo, check this out. Number 19, nah. Nah means no. Example 1, nah, I'm good. Example 2, nah, I don't want that. Number 20, yes. Yes means yes with excitement. Example 1, yes queen. Example 2, Yes, that's perfect. Number 21, bet. Bet means okay or I agree. Example 1, you coming? Bet. Example 2, bet I'll be there. Number 22, low key. Low key means secretly or quietly. Example 1, I low key love that song. Example 2, she's low key nervous. Number 23, high key. High key means openly or strongly. Example 1, I high key want pizza. Example 2, he's high key obsessed. And that's it. Now you know 23 cool informal English words that will help you sound more natural and confident. Try using them in your daily conversations or when watching English shows. Thanks for listening, and remember, learning English can be fun when you vibe with the words. See you next time.